Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use Dropbox desktop app. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to download the Dropbox desktop app, and when you have downloaded it and finished setting up, then the Dropbox will be directly added to the file explorer. Now you just have to go to your file explorer and click on the Dropbox, and your Dropbox folder will be opened. And you know how to use it. It is the same as any other folder, or same as using the web application. You can just drag and drop the files and folders and transfer that files from different location to the Dropbox folder. You can also delete it, and you can also restore it by going to the deleted items or the recycle bin. You will be also able to create a folder, edit PDF, get signature, and many more. So this is how to use Dropbox desktop app. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.